Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just before 10 o'clock in Honolulu, 4 o'clock in New York on Monday, 4th day of April 2016, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. We do have a continuation of the correction and sell-off that really began last week with lower pricing in the precious metals markets today. Gold is trading off about $6 or $7, trading near the lows at 12.14, 12.15 today. As I said, that is the low. High on the day is 12.22. So traders, as I said, we are under pressure today. We're currently trading at about 12.1650. On COMEX, that puts it off about $7 or almost 0.6% on the day. There's absolutely no doubt. My sense was that when we hit these intraday lows, back, call it what, the third quarter of March, third week of March, when we traded to this intraday low of approximately 1206, I really thought we had concluded our C wave at that point right in here. I thought that would have been our C wave. However, that's not the case because we did get a little clip up, as you can see right in here, but then it really stalled at about 1240 and then now is back under pressure. So what does that mean? On a technical basis, I am still long-term bullish. However, short-term, I believe we could have a little ways more to go on this particular retracement. If you recall, my original target, or what we call our sweet zone, was roughly between 1205 and 1194. And 1205 is the key because when the market came to 1206, my sense was we could have in fact completed that particular downtrend. We were incorrect in that assumption because, as I said, we stalled out very quickly and are now back in territory which I believe will retest the 1205 to 1197 area and then pop back up. The key is this. I still believe that we have completed, in terms of our sub count, our wave one, and that wave one, of course, was composed of a 5 count. Starting at the end of last year with waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and then our 5th wave here. I also still believe that we have seen some sort of an A, some sort of a B, and we're currently in our C wave. I think that that C wave, as I said, will take us to about $1,200. And the key is this: once we do get the conclusion and technical evidence of a bottom and a bounce off of that bottom, that would have completed a wave 2 of our subcount, wave 1 and wave 2, meaning we're going into a wave 3. And it's the wave 3 that I'm most excited about because that can certainly take gold prices well above these former highs, which were at around, what, 1287, and I think will take us up past 1300 per ounce. The key is that right now we still could see more downside pressure. So traders, obviously one of the mitigating factors in the most recent rally of gold was this sell-off that we saw in the dollar. We're looking at, of course, a weekly chart right now, and on that weekly chart we can see this dollar index under pressure for about the last couple of months, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So about 2.5 months. We have had a couple of clips up, but of course, we're right at the beginning of the week. We are down on the dollar today, but let's look to see if it breaks below this current level right now at about its 94.56, and see we've got a series of bottoms right in this area. See if the market can hold at 94, because if it cannot hold at 94 and we see more downside pressure, that would signal a potential return to rally mode in gold. However, if we get a little bit of strength in the dollar, of course we've got gold being the proverbial salmon swimming upstream. So traders, most importantly, what does this recent downside action do in terms of our long-term view of the market. As I said, overall, I'm extremely bullish. I do believe that we completed a major A wave. No doubt about that. I believe that these lows that we had at 1050 are absolutely going to hold. We're trading up at $1,200 right now. We had an extremely strong rally. That, I believe, was our subcount 1. I believe that at this point we are still in our subcount 2, as I said, but the exciting thing is following the conclusion of this corrective wave here, I absolutely believe it will see an extremely strong rally, taking us to highs above 1288. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. Talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.